Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make callaloo rice. Let's get right into it. First I saute some onions, peppers and garlic and scotch bonnet pepper. Then we go in a little salt and some cayenne pepper, thyme and some black pepper. We're just going to give that a mix. We're going with a can of coconut milk, some water, and give that a stir. And we go in with our chopped callaloo from the garden, fresh callaloo from our garden, and we just mix it up. And we're going to let that boil down for a minute. Once it starts boiling, we go in with 3 cups of rice, we give that a stir, and we cover and simmer until cooked. Now our rice is cooked nice and fluffy, ready to be served. Look at that. So aromatic. We're going to put our rice in a little bowl. Beautiful. This came out perfect. And we're going to serve this with some savory brown stewed chicken, some avocados, and a cabbage salad. Please let me know in the comment section where you're watching this video from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Bye for now, and I'll see you in the next video.